Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, I'm again back with one more video of pre-examination training of SBI PO 2026. Without any further delay, I'll just start this video. Before going to start, just a quick view overview. So the people who want to know about the pre-examination training, how to join, and what will be there in the pre-examination training, and what is the overview of pre-examination training, please go and check the introduction video. I have already been uploaded introduction video. If you didn't see that video, if you directly come to this video, you will not understand anything. Please go and check that one, and please again check this one, then you will get an idea like what is I'm speaking right now. And coming to this video guys, I have already said, right, there will be 5 parts in each day. So there will be sections of English, reasoning, quant, general awareness, including descriptive paper. Okay, so this pre-examination will include prelims and main sections, right? So the pre-examination conducts only once for both prelims and mains. So in these PDFs we will see about prelims questions and mains questions too. So without any further delay, I'll start up this video, and I'll just give a quick overview of the sections and the topics which are going to ask in the examinations, because in the pre-examination materials they clearly mentioned the questions. If I'll go through all the questions, it will take more time. So just I'll go through all the topics and what kind of question patterns they are going to give. Okay, this is about it. And also on each day I'll make a separate video for that. And also I just want to give you a overview idea. What I can say means, all the PDFs I'm going to upload it. Once I'll upload, I'll just make a video of that. Before releasing of this video or after releasing of this video, I'll definitely going to upload all the PDFs at a time, so you can go through the PDFs. It will be uploaded in my Telegram channel. I'll just make a separate video of that PDFs, guys. And for sure, I'll generally upload all the PDFs. And also, I have seen so many people asking about doubt clearing sessions, all these things. I'll just make a separate video for that, guys. I just don't want to make any other lags in this video. Okay, let's start up this video. And first section will be the English. Okay, let's start it. Okay, guys, start with the English section. So there will be PDFs which is available in the portal. So I have been downloaded, and I'll just go through all the questions once. Just you will get a quick overview of all the questions and topics which are going to ask. So that's the reason I'm just displaying this. Please go through once. Okay, this is the day one, guys. This is the day one of English set one PDF. So here you are able to see directions 1 to 7, which is of passage, which is of reading comprehension, guys. So they will give a passage, and there will be questions given related to that passage. You need to answer for that questions. So the people who are new, I'm just explaining that. So the people who already given many examinations of banking, they already knew that about reading comprehension clearly. So before going to show all the questions, just the thing or the trick I'll use for the prelims examinations of RCs. So I'll not do the whole passage. First of all, I'll directly go to the questions. I'll just identify the keywords of all the questions, and I'll skim the passage, guys. I'll not read, because RC I'll maximum times I will attempt at the last. So here are the questions you are able to see, right? So just see the, what I can say, see the keywords of that. So provided by the teachers for the first time, you are able to see, right? The second question, which of the following were not among the shortcomings in the content provided by the teachers for the first time? So you need to identify a keyword of teachers for the first time. What are the short outcomings? So just you need to go through all that questions, all that keywords, and just you need to identify the keywords in the passage, and you need to read the two sentences, and you need to answer the question. So this is how I used to identify. And coming to directions 13 to 17, they have clearly given a phrasal verb which we need to identify the opposite meaning to that phrasal verb. And coming to 18 to 22 of directions, which will be the columns they have been given, we need to identify which is they have been given three phrases, guys, and one phrase from each column need to create a sentence, and it should be grammatically correct and contextually coherent. So we need to identify that sequence, and we need to choose the answer based upon that. So before going to answer, I'm generally saying 13 to 17 wala directions questions are there, right? So they have been asked the opposite one, not the similar meaning. So without reading the directions, please don't answer it, because I have seen so many people about the error detections wala questions, or in English there are so many incorrect answers have been given, because sometimes they will ask similar, sometimes they will ask opposite, sometimes they will ask for error free, sometimes they will ask for error sentences. So you need to carefully read the directions, and after that you need to identify the exact answer for that question. Okay, so before going to what I can say exactly, before going to answer, just be careful while answering. That's it, guys. Have already said that phrasal verbs were opposite questions that they have been asked. And next, coming to the columns and exactly phrases they have been given, you need to match one phrase from each column to create a sentence which should be grammatically correct. So that these kind of questions I have seen. What I can say, I have seen new. Might be in the mains we will get the questions, and also we will got 23 to 26 of double fillers full of questions that they have been asked. And also error sentences, you need to, sometimes there are two kinds of error sentences, guys. So some they will give four sentences and they will ask for error free or error sentences. And sometimes, single sentences, they will give four parts and they will ask for error or error free sentences. So be careful, and as much as possible, please try to give mock sessions. Mocks means at least mock test. So try to be noted or try to remember all kind of rules. I have already made a video on that, and I have made a notes on that. So if anybody want, please comment me in the comment section. Otherwise, please post in my Telegram channel. Okay, guys. Then coming to the next section of reasoning. Here you can see the first question is related to the puzzle. They have been given different floors of eight. What I can say, eight floors from one to eight. So eight persons and numeric series, and also they have been given sitting arrangement questions. I'm not going through all the questions, guys. If you want, just go through the PDF which I have been uploaded in the Telegram channel. Just I'm going through the type of questions that they have been asked of topics. Okay, coding and decoding, just note in a page, guys. Note in a page, like sitting arrangement they have been asked, puzzle they have been asked, how many floors for the puzzle. And don't think the paper will be easy like this. Never, the paper will not that much of easy. Please keep a paper a bit level of high. And if paper will come easily, then it will be very good for you. If it will come moderate also, it will be a safer side. And coming to the computer section in reasoning, so I have already mentioned, right, in the pre-examination training of they will include play both. They will include both, which will be prelims and mains. So that's the reason they have been included computer aptitude also, computer questions also in reasoning section. Okay, just go through the PDFs. And then next, coming to the general awareness section, guys. Here you can clearly see, right, the general section part. So they will clearly give a question with the four options. At the end, they will highlight the answer, and also at the end they will give some explanations. So this is how to be the general awareness, and just go through the general awareness, just give a look, that's it. No, don't need to read all the things. Because, and also the people who are new, I just want to give a heads up from the last year, because from past 2 years I have been giving mains, right? So I have been observed from in 2024 there will be more current affairs section, but from the 2025 they have been asking the static part. So please be conscious, and please try to prepare for the static part. And if possible, I'll try to upload notes of that, and I'm making a static part notes as soon as possible. Once it will complete, I'll try to upload it. Okay, guys. And coming to the section of quant, clearly you can see there will be a bar graph mentioned here. It includes table graph, pie chart, and bar graph with line graph. So the weightage will be more for the DIs, guys, and now arithmetic. So please try to more focus on DIs, and please try to attend the sessions which are available in the YouTube. And please give mock tests as much as possible, and also please work on your weak areas. If quant is your weak area, please try to give as many as sectional mock test, and please practice as many as questions, arithmetic questions, and DIs. Okay, this is up to the quant section. And you know that for SBI PO the speed max will be very less. So try to focus on DIs and arithmetic questions, and don't be stuck for a question for the long time. It will definitely going to ruin your examinations. Please try to attempt the questions for the sure, like which the questions are you sure. Don't give more than 1 minute for that question. Please don't get stuck for the arithmetic questions. Please try to solve as much as possible, and try to solve 2 to 300 questions before the examinations. And coming to the last section of day one of pre-examination training of SBI PO 2026, and it will be the descriptive paper, guys. They have been given four questions, and you need to select, and you need to attempt descriptive paper for that. So please try to be confident, please, before going to write. And clearly they have been given sample type of question also here, right? Email questions, and also you need to summarize. The pattern will be a little bit changed compared to past 2 years. Please try to be up to the date, and please try to be more confident while you are writing these questions, and please try to be grammatically correct. So that's it, guys, about this video. And please to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And if anybody have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. I'll try to be available all the time maximum. I'll try to resolve it. And one more point for you all, guys, there are hardly 1 week left, so please try to be as much as productive, and please try to give